Today, we are going to practice reading through letter M books that we have made. You have a book that looks just like this, and if you notice, there's an uppercase M and a lowercase m. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to trace the uppercase M, up, slant, slant up and down. Then I'm going to trace the lowercase m, up, around, and around. Also, on this page, you'll see a name. Now, this is my name, but when you get your book, it will have your name. And my name is Miss Gardner. And we're going to turn the page. On the next page, we will see the lowercase m. And we're going to take our fingers and we're going to trace the lowercase m. Down, around, around. All letters make a sound, and the letter M has the sound. So that helps us when we go over to the next picture. And this is a picture of a moon. And it's got the letter M with a line underneath it. Moon. Then we're going to turn the page. There is another lowercase m. We're going to take our fingers and we're going to trace this lowercase m. Up, around, around. And then we're going to come over to the picture. This picture has a letter M. The letter M has the sound. And this is a picture of a mitten. Mittens keep your hands warm when it is cold outside. It's got the M with a line underneath this one. Once we get through reading this word, we're going to turn the page. Here's another lowercase m. We're going to take our fingers and we're going to trace this lowercase m. Up, curve around, and around. Then we're going to come over to the picture on the next page. M makes the sound. On this page, this is a picture of a monkey. And right underneath, there's the word monkey with the letter M and a line underneath. Then we're going to turn the page. This last page is for you to draw a picture of something that begins with the letter M. M says, I wonder what pictures you can draw that make that sound.